Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video addresses a common question: how to save your Google Doc as a PDF document. Maybe you need to share your document in a format that preserves the layout exactly, or you want a printable version. PDFs are your answer. So, to start, open your Google Docs application on your device and check if you are logged into it. By opening the application on the home page, select the document you want to save in PDF format. By selecting the document you want to save, look for the three dots on the document itself and click on them. A drop-down menu will open where you will look for the printer option and click on it. On the next page, you will notice at the top of the screen that the document is already set to the option to save in PDF. All that remains is to click on the PDF file option on the right side of the screen. The last thing the application will ask you is to just rename the name if you want, and click Save. And that would be it. You have saved the document in PDF. So, the next time you need a Google Doc in PDF format, remember the File, Download menu, and select .pdf for the perfect copy. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs hacks to win different file formats.